This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
So today we'll be discussing having secure site content on a Squarespace site. So usually by default, Squarespace sites they will be secure. Like it will show this lock in your browser um, URL bar. It will also show HTTPS. Even for sites that aren't published as yet, like this site isn't published, it will show HTTPS. That's the standard for Squarespace sites. However, there may be some instances where your site isn't secure, like this one. And that happens where then there's some type of content on the page that doesn't have HTTPS. It just has a plain HTTP on it. So for this site that's secure, we don't have any strange content on this site. We pretty much just use the default stuff that Squarespace has. Whereas for this one, I actually purposely added an image that is hosted on an HTTP site. And as a result of just adding this single image, these two sites are the same except for this one image. It now shows that the site is not secure. And it gives me this connection is not secure link in Firefox. So I'll just demonstrate like how that problem can occur. So let's just add some content on our secure site. So right now it's nice and secure. So what I'll do is just go into the back end of my homepage. I'm going to hit edit here on the homepage section. And I'm going to hit this plus icon. And I'm going to just add some add that in. Add an image directly into the code block using image CRC. I'm going to from a site where the URL is HTTP. There's no S on it. The image that is being hosted and linked to our Squarespace site is not a secure link. So I'm going to hit apply here and save those changes. And you can see here it says that the site is no longer secure. So as soon as I remove that code block, it's going to revert to a secure site. But let's say you have a page where you're not sure where that unsecured content is coming from. Here's what you can do to find out exactly where that's coming from. You're going to click, well, this is Firefox. So I guess you can sign in there and use these stats. I'm not sure what it is on Chrome or the other browsers, but you can click here where it has that broken lock, where it says connection is not secure. Click this right facing arrow. And then you're going to click more information because you want to find out more information about what's causing the site not to be secure. Next, you're going to click on the media link. And what shows here, this entire list would be items that are linked to the site. They could be images, they could be scripts, they could be CSS files that are linked from external sources. So what we're going to do is just to kind of scroll down this list and look for anything that starts with HTTP with no S. So these, and you can kind of click on them and the content will show below here. So if I click on these items, it'll show exactly what is being linked. There's a preview here. So these are all HTTPS, so that's not what we're looking for. So I'm just going to scroll right down. And this is the file that we're looking for. So once I can see immediately it starts with HTTP, and we really want an HTTPS. So this will tell us that this is like the problem. And again, you're going to use this if you're not sure what's causing the problem. And typically, once you find it, and it will tell you the address here, and that will kind of let you know what it is. You're going to want to either delete it from the site, or you're going to want to change the URL and make sure it's using the HTTPS. So once you've identified what it is, you can just kind of delete it from the site. Either delete it or you're going to want to change it to HTTPS. So if you know what it is and the site that the external site is HTTPS, you can click edit and you can just kind of stick an S in here and click apply. And if the external site does support HTTPS, the image will continue to work, or the CSS file will continue to work, or the script will continue to work. But if it doesn't support HTTPS and you want your Squarespace site to be secure, you're going to want to just go ahead and delete it and remove the splat yes. And once you hit save, and we're probably going to need to refresh the site. So our site is again secure because we removed that unsecured content, and everything is good to go now.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.